My name is Kent Robey, Director of Emergency Management for Bedford County. As many of you are aware, the remnants of Tropical Storm Debby will be affecting our area in the next 48 hours. In this minute message, here are a few key points that you need to know to be prepared. Flooding is the biggest concern of our area. According to the Virginia Department of Emergency Management, inland flooding is responsible for more than half of the deaths associated with hurricanes. It is very important to take the threat of flooding seriously. I would recommend staying off the roads unless you have to in the coming days. But if you do encounter water that is covering the roadway, remember, turn around, don't drown. Never attempt to drive through flooded roads because of the depth of the water is not always obvious. You can sign up for local alerts and warnings through Alert Bedford. Visit bedfordcountyva.gov/alert.